In this lesson, we're going to be looking at categories and tags. So this allows you to categorize your post into different categories so that when you want to group your content, it can be organized. So go ahead and under posts and click on categories, and then here I'm going to say, since this is a blog about website designing, I would say maybe we are looking at online marketing tips that we can have as the online marketing tips that we can have as the name. And then yes, Slack, you can just leave it like that. And then in terms of parent, you can leave it like that as well. Slack, leave it like that, it will automatically create. And then I'll say here, this category is about how you can drive traffic to your business. Okay, and then I'm just going to hit, please forgive me for my spellings, I'm typing fast. I'm just going to add that category. As you can see now, the category has been added, and then the Slack has been automatically been added. I'm going to add another one, which I call website design tips. Website design tips. And then what I'm going to do is learn the tips to make your website look cool. Okay, let me just correct these spellings, and then I'm just going to hit add new category. Once I've added new category, then I will actually have these two, and then there's another one which is called uncategorized. And then when you go to tags, it's almost similar. And then with tags, I could say maybe website design for beginners. Okay, and then here I can have learn the tips for beginners, and then I'm gonna have a tag here. Okay, I have that tag here, and then I can add website hosting for new people. And then what I'm going to do is learn the hosting tips. Okay, I'm just going to click add. Now that I have these tags already added, I'm going to show you another way again when we're actually making the post to add these tags. So this actually helps you to get your content organized when you are posting articles. And if you don't know what this is at this stage, please don't overthink the process. Just go with whatever you can, because you can as well move here and delete all these. Okay, so with that said, let us know what you have done within our community, and I can't wait to see you on the next lesson, and bye for now.